Okay, with changing the grease in almost any grease gun, the first step is to retract the handle on the rear of the grease gun. Pull it all the way forward. It'll either catch itself or you turn it sideways, just pull it straight out. Okay. Now you see that notch?
Why so hard?
Pull it straight up and then take it to the side. Now that notch holds the rod out. Now unscrew the cylinder, not the cap on the end, the cylinder that goes into the DeWalt housing. Remove that. Now, remove the tube that's inside the cylinder. Okay, get your new tube of grease. Take the black cap off the rear. Slide the tube into the cylinder. Remove the pull tab end of the grease gun, of the grease tube, and set that in your black cap. Now, screw the cylinder back into the grease gun. You may have to align that piece of plastic there. No, it spins. Now, put your rod, pull it to the side, pull it to the center, and push it in.
That's it?
Yep. And twist it around a little. There you go. All right. Now, turn the grease gun right side up. Look for a pressure release valve on the top of it, although I don't think this one has a pressure release, but usually there's a button that you can press to release the pressure. I don't think there is one on this. Just hold the trigger down for a minute, see if grease comes out. There it goes. All right, you're good to go.